Alright, so today, over here in Alberta, she's fucking raining. She's raining pretty nice. Right now, instead of using my hand to hold my phone, I got a selfie stick here. We're gonna go look at the Craftsman lawnmower again. It's just my raggedy ass house. And we're just gonna go work on it. The thing is the ignition sticks, but then again, the problem I had with it yesterday was I had the ignition unplugged, the key on the seat, and I was trying to pull the ignition out, and it just started, the starter just started going, and it wouldn't stop. So, don't know why that is, but it did that. The ignition was unplugged, everything was unplugged. The starter's just fucked. So, what I gotta do now is just fix the starter. Because if I don't, we're foobarred. And that's my old car right there under the snow. Needs a radiator, a fender, windows. It's a farm beater, just running around the farm and wreck it. So, we're gonna go to the shop, and I'll see you there. Oh, and another thing I want to add is the way I edit is I pause the recording on my phone because I got a Samsung Galaxy S3. It's not good, but my S7 locked in a contract for TELUS, and I lost the frickin' thing. So, Jesus Christ, I lost the thing, so I'll have to find it or something. Alrighty, see you in there. Alrighty, what happened yesterday is, if you look, where the hell did my flashlight go? If you look in there, the ignition's completely unplugged. If I reach my fingers in there, right there where the prongs are is where the ignition should be plugged into. It's right here. Sorry about that lighting. Don't know where my flashlight went. But the starter keeps going haywire. And don't know how to fix that. I'm kind of stumped, honestly. I could just unplug the positive wire, and when I want it started, I can just connect the wire, fire it up, disconnect the wire, and be all good. I think that's what I'm gonna do. First, I unplugged the battery yesterday. And then it finally stopped, but it was unplugged, and I was trying to pull it out. I had it, the key was right where it was sitting. It's sitting now, and I'm trying to pull this thing out. Oh God, if I had two hands, it'd be better. Alrighty, so I guess that's it for today. Tomorrow, I had it running, but it just stuck again. So tomorrow, should have another video out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like. Hopefully you subscribe. Yeah. Thanks.